Hey guys, welcome to this course. Together we're going to master in-depth concepts in deep learning and apply our knowledge to solve real-world problems using the Python programming language and Google's TensorFlow tool. What you learn in this course will not only lay a solid foundation in your deep learning career, but also permit you to be a world-class professional. If you've gotten to this point, it means you're interested in mastering deep learning and using your skills to solve practical problems. You may already have some knowledge on machine learning and deep learning, or you may be coming in contact with deep learning for the very first time. It doesn't matter from which end you come from, because at the end of this course, you shall be an expert with much hands-on experience. You shall build several projects in domains like computer vision, speech processing, and natural language processing, using knowledge gained from this course. If you're willing to move a step further in your career, this course is destined for you, and we are super excited to help you achieve your goals. This course is offered to you by neolearn.ai, and just like every other course by neolearn.ai, we lay much emphasis on feedback. Your reviews and questions in the forum will help us better this course. Feel free to ask as many questions as possible on the forum. We do our very best to reply in the shortest possible time. Let's get started.